Greetings. Welcome to this channel, or welcome back if you are a regular viewer, where every morning at 5 o'clock Jamaica time, there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. If you want others to hear readings from the Bible in the Jamaican language, then click the buttons below to like, comment, share, and subscribe. My name is Godfrey Taylor, and we're doing a series on parables. Wagwan! Thank you for come at this channel, or if you come back if you is a regular. Yes, so every morning 5 o'clock Jamaica time, we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. If you want other people to hear the reading them from the Bible in the Jamaican language, then click on the button them underneath. We like, comment, share, and subscribe. My name is Godfrey Taylor, and we are read some parable or story from the New Testament.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, me are going to read from Matthew chapter 13, verse 1 to 9 and verse 18 to 23. This are the story about the farmer. You know ready? On the same day there, after Jesus left the yard, him go at the lakeside, go sit down. One big crowd of people gather up round him. Him did have to go in a one boat, go sit down, while the heap of people them turn up on the lakeside. Jesus tell them whole heap of story wey sound like Riddle. Him say, one farmer did Goffe plant some seed. When him did a scatter the seed them, some drop which part people walk, and the bud them come yam them. Some drop where bare rock stone there. Them they have much dirt for growing. Now, cause no whole heap of dirt no in there. The root couldn't go down deep, so the plant them come up fast. When the sun come up, it's catch up the plant them, and through them root not long enough, them dry up and dead. Some other seed drop amongst maca bush, and when them pop up the maca bush, choke them. But some of the seed them drop on good ground and come bear food. Some bear 100 times more than what the farmer did plant. Some 60 and some 30. Anybody will have ears for ear, better listen good. And from verse 18 to verse 23. So listen to what the story about the farmer say. When nobody hear the message about God's kingdom and no understand it, the wicked one come same time come take where we get planted in them heart. This are the seed where they drop which part people walk. The seed where drop which part bare rock stone there. And the somebody where hear the word and glad feet same time. But same like the plant who for root not go down deep in the ground, him no make God word go deep in him heart. So him no last no time. But when tough time lick him sake of God word, him give up and turn back same time, same like how the plant dry up and dead. The one where drop in a maca bush, who hear God word, but him start fret about life, and all him can think about are how to make money and get rich. Them sitting the black God word. So it not do nothing different in a for them life. But the seed that drop on good ground now, that's somebody there hear God word and understand it. So like the seed we plant on good ground, in bear 160 or 30 times more fruit than what the farmer did plant up. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.